Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. And the question is A has some positive effect on the population density and B is having some negative effect. So if A increases the population density and B decreases it, then we have to choose the correct option of A and B. Option A states that A can be mortality, which brings positive change in population density. B can be emigration, which brings negative change in population density. C, values of A and B can never be equal. And D, both B and C. सो यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर देने के लिए जो की कॉन्सेप्ट हमें जरूरत है दैट इज अबाउट इफेक्ट ऑफ mortality and emigration on population density. Population density मतलब number of individuals living in a particular area in a given period of time and they are also belonging to a particular species. अगर हम लोग पहले मोर्टेलिटी का मतलब देखें, मोर्टेलिटी मतलब क्या है? नंबर ऑफ डेथ. इसका मतलब क्या है? नंबर ऑफ डेथ है. पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी decreases, which is clearly a negative impact. So A cannot be mortality. Mortality से हमें कोई positive impact नहीं मिलता. This is basically a negative change. हमें क्लियरली बोला गया था कि A is a factor that can increase the population density. Mortality से population density decrease होता है. So we can rule out option A. Now coming to emigration. Emigration क्या है? Here number of individuals leave an existing population and they go over to new population to explore their resources. इसके वजह से क्या होता है? जैसे ही इंडिविजुअल्स लीव कर रहे हैं, ड्यू टू दिस द पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी दैट अगेन डिक्रीजेस, राइट? So emigration is definitely associated with a negative change in population density. So if we look at our option B that is given here, this is correct that B can be emigration which brings about a negative change. That is correct. But A, which increases population, that can either be immigration or natality, not mortality. And definitely, since A is a positive change and we know that B is anything that brings about a negative change. So clearly, value of A is never equal to the value of B. That is not possible. And both B and C are not applicable for, if we see both B and C, this is correct. B can be emigration, this is correct. And values of A and B can never be equal. So as per the question, B and C, that is both of these statements are correct. Option A is completely wrong. So based on the explanation, we can write that for this particular question, option D is the correct answer. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.